Hello and welcome to Singgeek. My name is Rania Peterson and today I'm going to share a trick with you that I find help my new students improve their singing voice immediately. So if you're here, you're probably pretty new to singing and you're wondering where to begin. I remember that feeling so well when I first started out, and that's what inspired me to make this video. Sometimes I really liked the way I was sounding and sometimes I knew I could do better, but I didn't know how to improve. Now, the first thing that we can work on is to get your voice away from your private space and out into the room so that it can be bright and beautiful. And there is a cool trick that you can do to practice that now. So, I want you to take your hands and I want you to put them like this in front of your ears, and you can sing a phrase from your favorite song, or you can say, "Hi, my name is Darth Vader," whatever you want to say. The point is that this is how your voice sounds to everyone else. And it's pretty cool. You can hear your voice, yep, it sounds different. And I find that for a lot of my students, as soon as they do this, they pay much more attention to getting their voice out. They pay much more attention to making their phrases steady from beginning to end. And it really improves just the timbre of your voice. So try it out. I have prepared a song, a little section that we're going to sing together from Scarborough Fair. It is non-copyrighted, so we're going to sing that one. And we're just going to sing the phrases together with our hands like this and focus on, of course, breathing deeply to support our phrases. But we're going to sing and pay more attention to bringing our voice into the room. So here we go. Where are you going to? Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary and thyme. Remember me to a Bonnie less fair. She was once a true love of mine. So try applying this to the songs that you're working on. In my experience, my students, they get that feeling of bringing their voice out of their body pretty quick. So it's not like you have to sit and sing like this every time you sing. Once you get used to the feeling, you can put your hands back down. Now, if you are new to this channel, I would love to have you subscribe to become part of the Singgeek community so that we can keep geeking out on your voice.